Hi students, today we can learn about relational algebra and basic operations of relational algebra. Relational algebra is a procedural query language that takes one or two relations as input and produces a new relation as the output. Basic operations of relational algebra are union, intersection, difference, product or Cartesian product, selection and projection. Now we can check first union. Union is used to combine the result of two or more select statements without returning any duplicate rows. Okay, that is C equal to A union B. Here A and B are two relations. Then the resultant relation C consists of same columns as that of A or B. Let's understand what is meant by this. Now we can check one another example. Here we have two tables, student and exam, with columns, roll number, name and marks. Both of these tables have identical columns. Now we can apply the union operator, that is student union exam. So the resultant table will be like this. It will return 5 rows only. That is, here the union removes duplicate rows. The details of roll number 102 repeated in second table also. So it will be removed from the output. If both of the tables have identical columns, then only we can apply this union. Okay. Next is intersection. Intersection combines result sets of two or more queries and returns distinct rows that are common in both results. That is C equal to A intersection B. If A and B are two tables, then the resultant table consists of the same attributes present in both of the tables A and B. That is, rows or tuples of C are common to both A and B. In this table, student and exam, we can apply the intersection operator. Next, we can check difference. Difference or minus operator returns the unique rows produced by the first query but not by the second one. The difference operator is denoted by minus symbol. Here C equal to A minus B. That is student intersection exam. Here we can see the details of 102 Shreya present in both the tables. So it will be the output. That is the details of 102 present in both the tables. Okay. Next we can check difference. Difference or minus operator returns the unique rows produced by the first query but not by the second one. The difference operator is denoted by minus symbol. Here C equal to A minus B. Here A and B are two relations. Then A minus B returns the results containing tuples in A but not in B. Now we can check with one example. In this table, student minus exam. Here the output will be like this. That is, it returns only those rows which are present in the student table but not present in the exam table. So it will display the details of 101 and 103. This 102 present in both the tables. So it will be removed from the output table. Next is Cartesian product. This Cartesian product combines information from the two relations or tables like multiplication operator. Okay, that is, it returns the product of two tables where nothing is common. That is, the number of columns or number of rows may be vary. Here C equal to A cross B. We can check the example. Here we have two tables, student table and result table. For the student table, 2 columns and 3 rows. Also for the result table, 2 columns and 2 rows only. That is, both these tables are not identical. If we apply the Cartesian product, then the first row of the student table combines with all the rows in the result table. Similarly, the second row and the third row of the student table combines with all the rows in the result table. Okay. Also, you have to notice one point. Columns of the resultant table equal to sum of columns in both the table. Here 2 plus 2. That is columns of student table plus result table. Also, rows of resultant table equal to product of rows of both the tables. Here 3 into 2. That is 6 rows. Student table has 3 rows and result table has 2 rows.